Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to disable comments on your Facebook post. This is how to do it. Here we are on my Facebook profile. If I want to disable a comment on a post, this is what you have to do. Click on the post. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on who can comment on this post. You have few options to choose from. You have public, friends of friends, friends and established followers. You have to choose the last one that says profile and page you mentioned. Click on it. This means only the people you mentioned and the page you tag can comment on this particular post. When you're done, click on done. And the comments of this post will be disabled. Nobody can comment unless you mention the person. So that's how you disable comments on your Facebook post. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.